Jesus now.
Sometimes it's a company that gives back. Kanu gives back. You remember that I have Kanu Heart Foundation, which of today will save 500 lives. And StarTime is part of what we are doing, giving back to the society. And I believe you know that the two biggest clubs in Uganda is being sponsored by StarTimes.